Steady rest. In this video, we will discuss about steady rest. Bolt bedways. Steady rest is clamped on the bedways in the required position between headstock and tailstock. Workpiece. Workpiece is supported by 3 jaws and hinged on the top. Used when a long piece is machined or drilled at its end by holding the job in a chuck. Follower rest. In this video, we will discuss about follower rest. It performs the same function as the steady rest, but it has 2 jaws which support the work opposite to the tool. Follower rest is fixed on the carriage. Workpiece, carriage, tool, it moves along with the carriage. It is used when the workpiece is too flexible and needs continuous support.